Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how our Cognautica works. So let's assume that this is the question paper. As you can see, there are multiple choice and one essay grading question. In total, there are around 11 questions. I'm also gonna show you basically a couple of student exams. This is a student exam, and as you can see from here, these are how the students have graded it. And we take a look at the essay question. So you notice that the student one answer and student two answer looks exactly the same. The reason that is because we want to show you essentially how our AI is learning from the experience. So if you take a look at the actual essay, it is the exact same for both students, and you're gonna see in a minute basically how when I actually upload the answers, how it actually ends up working out and how the AI is learning from the experience. So now I'm going to go over how a Cognautica would work. Let's assume I'm creating an account and I'm a teacher. So type in my email address, my password, um, and in this case, I'm going to use the same email just as an example, right? Um, and let's say I sign up after this. Once I've done that, I would log in with the same username password as I'm doing over here. I click on the login. This is the home page. Now, the first thing I would do is create an assignment. And over here, as you can see, I'm creating an English class, which is of middle school type. Let's say I give 12 hours for the students to do a regrade. There's one type of assignment in this a class called test. And let's say I invite two students. One is Deval at gmail.com and another student is Aaron at gmail.com. An email would be sent out to these students. Once I've done this, this is the screen that pops up, and I would create an assignment. I would create a class. Once I create a class, I would type in the assignment. So let's say I'm creating a narrative writing assignment, which is a paper type. And let's just say the due date is today, because we want to grade this assignment today, right? Um, and let's say we click on next. As soon as we click on next, essentially we would want to upload an answer sheet and a rubric for this assignment because there's a multiple choice and an essay. So we would go in here, we would upload the question paper that I just showed you. We would upload the answer sheet, and then let's say we want to generate a rubric using AI. So we click on generate with AI, we type in the grade level, which in this case it middle school, and then we type in the criteria for this, which is ideas, let's say convention, organization, um, style and conventions. Yeah, that seems pretty reasonable. And let's say we want to do it between 0 to 3, and we name this narrative writing. So we click on next, and as you can see, is generating the rubric. And over here, you can see the multiple choice questions and the answers were automatically extracted. Even though, so now let's say the assignment is created. Now, so now let's say the assignment is So now let's say the assignment is created, and as a student, I'm logging in as Aaron here. I would upload the answer sheet that I also showed you. And then going back to the teacher side, I would start grading. As you can see, multiple choice was graded instantly. It automatically recognized what the student would answer. And now we're grading long answer. So over here, as you can see on question 11, it's grading devil at gmail.com. And we can see the specific codes and the feedback for a specific section. Let's say the teacher could change any of the feedback and the grades, by the way. So let's say the teacher has changed the grade. This is the process, this is what helps the AI learn. So now let's grade the next student. If you remember correctly, the next student has the exact same essay, and now as you can see, the AI has given it the exact same grade along with changed feedback, so on and so forth. um, so